Take a look at the markets. We are down today. We're down 59, nearly 60 points as we speak. The price of oil barely budging, still around $52 per barrel. Come on in, please. Keith Fitz-Gerald from Money Map Press. He's the chief investment strategist there. You're big into investor confidence. What have you seen in the last few days?
Well, investor confidence, by and large, is still there. I think the rotation you're seeing this morning is a lot of people saying, what do we make of TPP? What do we make of NAFTA? I think it's institutional money that's trying to realign, because you're going to see the last vestige of the status quo run for cover right now if Trump continues the momentum he's on.
Well, he's certainly got momentum as of this morning. You've heard what he's been saying to business leaders. He's meeting with union leaders. He's setting a cracking pace for getting jobs back to America and growing the economy. I take it, you approve of that, but when are investors going to start approving and moving this market higher?
Well, don't forget that the things he's talking about are not instant fixes. There's nothing wrong with that, but it usually takes a quarter, sometimes 2 quarters, to turn some of these big corporations around, because they've got to realign thousands of pages of taxes, thousands of pages of legal stuff in order to get to the bottom line. Now, again, that's going to happen. I believe firmly that's going to happen. It's long overdue. We have had 50 years of failed policy, so I'm very excited, never mind who's implementing. I'm excited to see the logjam break.
Keith, I'm sure you heard the news earlier this morning that Foxconn, they're Apple's partner building and assembling iPhones, they're talking about a $7 billion plant coming to the United States of America. Now, would you chalk that up as a victory for Donald Trump and the pressure that he's applying?
I think it's a victory right now. I think it remains to be seen whether there's going to be tax credits, what kind of things are going to go along with it. It's carrot and stick very much. But, again, this is a corporation that is moving in the right direction because President Trump has made it very clear what he wants to accomplish.
Are you in favor of this? Now, some people say, look, he's just bullying these executives. He's really bullying. That's the expression that they're using. Are you in favor of it?
Well, you know, I don't think bullying is the right characteristic. I think what he's doing is calling them on the carpet and say, hey, for years you guys have had a free ride because of things Congress has implemented, because of what past administrations have done, and now it's time to put up or shut up. So I don't think he's bullying. I think he's calling them.
You ever seen anything like this before, Keith?
Not in my memory. I think if you look to the trade wars of the 20s and 30s, there's precedent with regard to what's happening to our currencies, but that too had a good ending because companies that did get in line did very well, and that's what I'm looking for this time.
Okay, we shall see. Keith, thanks very much for joining us. Always a pleasure. Thank you.